Hi everyone, today I'm going to solve an Excel assignment Exp19 Excel Chapter 18 ML2 reading scores. In its project description, as an elementary school principal, you are concerned with the student reading comprehension. After conducting a study, you want to calculate some general statistics, then conduct one-way analysis for ANOVA. Doing well enable you to compare these three simple group means and evaluate variance within each group compared to the variance among the three groups. That's our project description. We will move to our first step. Our first step is start Excel, download and open file name exp19 Excel chapter 18 ML2HW reading scores. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. I have already opened this file. That's our file exp19 chapter 8 LW reading scores. And now we will move to our second step. And if you need help in online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science, or if you need help in Pearson course, Cengage course, Pearson Plus course, or any other academic subject, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video to get directly in my inbox. We will move to our second step. In the second step, he is asking in the range F2 to H2 insert function that will calculate the average for the group. So we will go to the H2 to F2 to H2. That's our cell F2. In the cell F2, we will put average formula for the control column. For this column, we will put in the F2. Here we will use is equal to average. Start our formula. Select this one from A2 to A25 and press enter. So we have got our result in the cell, our F2. You will just copy this one like that. So you will get your result in these cells. You see where we have copied the formula here in the cell G2 CBT only, for we use average formula for the CBT column for this column, and in the cell H2 we have used average formula for this column. So we have got our result here. That's our second step. And in our third step, in the range F3 to H3, insert a function to calculate the median for the each group. So we will go to the cell H3. Here is cell H3. We will press is equal to. We will use median formula. Start our bracket and select this one A2 to A25 and press enter. So we have got our result. Median result in the cell F3. We will copy this formula up to F3 to H3. So we have got our result for the column B and column C also in the cell H3. That's our third step. Our fourth step is in the range F4 to H4, insert a function that will calculate the most repetitive value for the group. So we will, the repetitive value mean the mod of the group. So we will use is equal to, we will put is equal to mod. We will use that as a mod. Start our cell. We will select A2 to A25 and press enter. So we have got our result as a mod, and here in the cell G13 we will use mod for the column B, and H4 we will use mod for the column C. So we have got our results. And in the fifth step, in the range F5 to H5, insert a function that will calculate the highest value of the each group. So we will go to the F5. Here we will use maximum formula, max formula. Start our bracket and select A2 to A25 We will just type A22, A25 and press enter. So we have got our result highest formula, and we will copy this formula in the cell G52H5. So we have got our result for the other two cells also. That's our fifth step. Our sixth step is in the range F6 to H6 insert a formula that will calculate the lowest. So we will go to the F6. In the F6 we will use minimum formula is equal to minimum. We will put minimum, start our bracket, and we will type A2 to A25, press enter. So we have got the lowest in the column A. For column B and column C we will copy this formula here. So we have got our result in the G and H6 and G6 also. So that's our sixth step. Our seventh step is in the range F7 to H7 insert a function that will calculate the variance for the each group. Use the function that will calculate the S dissipator. So we will go to the F7. In the F7 we will use the is equal to variance, and what is he asked? Variance dot S dissipator descriptor. So we will select the variance S, then we will put A2 to A25, close our bracket and press enter. So we have got our result in the variance A. We will copy this formula in the G7 and H7 also. So we have got our results. That's our seventh step. Our eighth step is in the range F8 to H8 insert a function that will calculate the standard deviation. So we will go to the cell F8. In the cell F8 we will use is equal to standard deviation. Standard, that is standard deviation S. What is he saying? We need to use standard deviation. Standard deviation dot S. We will put A2 to A25, close the bracket and press enter. So we have got standard deviation for the column A. We will copy this formula in the column in the cell G8 and H8. So we have got our results. That is our eighth step. We have total 12 steps in this assignment. I have performed 8 steps in this video. If you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment, or if you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get a new video updates. Thank you.